Hey guys, this is Indian Mommy Lisa. Welcome to my channel. Before getting into today's video, I just want to take a few moments here to thank you guys because I have reached my 1000 subscribers and I am so very happy right now. I wanted to thank you, each and every one of you who have subscribed to me, who have watched my videos. I cannot even describe how I feel with words, It is like I feel so accomplished. I don't know. I just love you guys. Keep your good grace on me forever and keep watching my videos. So I'm thinking of starting retinol on my skin. If you don't know what retinol is, it is basically vitamin A. I also don't know much about retinols. I am a woman in my early 30s, so I thought I would start retinol, and they are quite expensive, so I was looking for some inexpensive products that I can actually start with. Then I can go with some crazy expensive stuff, and you can actually go to a skincare specialist and get prescribed retinols on your face, retinoid on your face. So I got myself the Ordinary's retinol. It is retinol 0.5% in squalene. So I'm going to try this out on my face. It is retailing for just $5 to $6. I don't know the exact price because I bought this around 3 months ago. It's in this glass bottle. It is a yellow kind of liquidy texture. Let's see. It is very liquidy and oily kind of texture. I think 1 or 2 drops will be enough for my face. I am using it on my hand to patch test before I put it on my face. So yeah, I will use it tonight. It is around 9 o'clock in the morning, so I will use it at night. So it will give me around 12 hours of patch test. It is saying that we have to patch test for at least 24 hours, but I think 12 hours will be enough. Yeah, it leaves the hand with a shiny texture, so I think it will be the same on the face. And it's okay because I'm going to use it at night, so at night shiny texture is really not an issue, I think. So let's see what happens on my face, and we will talk after 5-7 days. Okay, and if it irritates my skin and I cannot use on my skin, I will stop immediately and we will talk. Okay, so let's go. So I have been using the retinol 5% in squalene for 1 week now, and I will consider it as my first impression because I don't think that in 1 week a product can do much to your skin, but in 1 week you can definitely tell that if the product is worth buying or not, or the product is should be used longer or not. So this is my first impression. I like this product even though it is not a full strength. I think that if I am starting to use retinoid, then this is the first step to take, because It is completely non-irritating on my skin. My skin does not irritate at all. And I feel like it is doing something to my skin, because my skin obviously is a little bit more radiant, I will say. I don't know. I feel like my skin is becoming a little bit healthy, and it is a little bit brighter, and but not so much that I will actually say that this is working. Okay, it is just in my head, I think. I don't know. But for the coming week I will be using it with my niacinamide, because I asked the ordinary customer care. I mailed them and they suggested me using the retinol with the niacinamide. It works good. So from the next week I will be using niacinamide on my face first, and then I will go in with the retinol. And yeah, I will do that, and I think I will continue it for one more month, and we will see. And then I will talk to you guys about how it worked, because I think in 1 month it should work. Okay. So after using this for a month, more than a month actually, I forgot to do this. I recently remembered that I have not done the final review of this product. I thought it will irritate my skin or will be aggressive on my skin, but it did not do anything like that. It is actually a very nice product for a beginner. I am just starting out. I thought that it will dry out my skin. It did not, but I used a heavy moisturizer on top of it, even though it felt oily on my skin. After using this product, it felt like I put oil on my face, and at the moment I didn't think that I would need a moisturizer, but I knew that this will dry my face, so I used a moisturizer. It was a heavy moisturizer, mostly for dry skin, and I used it on my face, and I did not get any dryness on my face. Initially I thought that I will use it only twice or 3 times a week, but I ended up using it every single day. My product is not close to finish. I think I will use it 2 more months. Yeah, so it is completely non-irritating. Maybe it's only me, but I think it will not irritate at all. It is not a full strength. I mean, it is not strong. It is very weak. It did not do as much as I would have wanted. So this is a weak strength. Maybe after this is done, I will use the Granactive Retinoid. That is 2%, I guess. I will use that one now that I am confident that my face can handle retinol. As a beginner, it is a good product to start retinol. My face felt so soft in the morning, and I got a glow from within. I can't describe it. You can just see it here. It felt like my face has got a new life. That's what I felt. But of course, you are not going to see instant results. It will take around 2 months to get results as we want. But yeah, maybe if it was more strong, then I would have seen more result. But for this strength, whatever result I got, it was perfectly fine. My face felt soft and glowy, and yeah, so I will continue with this. I also know that this is not available in India. The Ordinary brand has not come to India right now. There are a couple of products in Amazon, the niacinamide or something, I don't know, and it is very pricey in Amazon as well, and I can't even say that it is the real stuff or the fake one, so I am not ordering that. If you are in US or UK, do order it, use it, it is great for beginner. But if you are already in your 40s and you are really looking for a full strength retinoid, this is not for you. But for me, as I started out, this is great. I will keep using it and until it is finished, and then I will be ordering 2% retinoid, and I have seen what I am going to order. It is not from the Ordinary. And also for people who want more strength, they can go to a skincare specialist. They can prescribe you the full strength retinoid. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and do comment down below if you have any other product you want me to review. I will get to it. I have my eyes on this one right here, not this one. I have my eyes on this one right here to try out. I'm going to try out next. So yeah, bye, have a good day.